Hey guys, Tim from Huck Small Engine Repair and Sales here out at what we call the Boneyard. I'm going to show you some broken mowers simply because I'm going to show you a couple tips and tricks to know what to look for when you're buying a used mower, you know, off of Facebook or off of Craigslist or at a garage sale. Just you can quickly do this in literally 5-10 seconds to know if the mower's worth it or not. So let's go. Alright guys, we're here in the Boneyard. This is where we keep the ones with broken frames, bent crankshafts, mainly just for parts. But I want to point out this one specifically right here. I'm not going to dig it out, but say you're at a garage sale, you're looking around, you're like, oh, this mower's 25 bucks. You know, the guy says it needs some work. Mainly look right near the wheel adjusters, mostly towards obviously the rear, but the front sometimes too. If I'll have Brandon come around here, I'll have you zoom in down here. Can you see that crack? See that crack right there? That frame is junk. I would not buy that. That's just a quick tip. Take you 5 seconds. Look down there, tip the mower up. You know, you can see the whole deck flexing right here. That's not good. I would not buy that mower at a garage sale if you're looking to actually mow your lawn with it. Just a quick tidbit. A lot of people get you know, taken. We've had a bunch of people bring their mowers here for repair, and they're like, hey, I bought it at a garage sale for, you know, 25 bucks. Got a great deal. Well, the deck's broken because you didn't take the 5 seconds. Well, you didn't know you needed to take the 5 seconds to look at it. So I wanted to let you know. That way, when you're on a buy and you're looking for a cheap mower, you know what to look for. So over and out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe. Make sure you turn that bell on for notifications. We're just starting out our YouTube channel, but we've been mowing lawns for over 50 years, servicing and repairing mowers for over 40 years. So it just runs in our blood. I'm a third-generation owner. We just like to work on small engines. So yeah, we're just starting a YouTube channel. Hope to see you on the other side.